Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing a failed hard drive in this iMac. The first thing that we need to do is take off the front glass. It is held on with a couple of magnetic strips, so using two suction cups, we're able to pull it off. To remove it fully, we will just lean it towards us and pick it up out of the grooves. The next step is to take the screen itself off. It is held on with 8 screws and a couple of strips of metal tape. These can be a little tricky to get out if you don't have a magnetic screwdriver because they're close to the magnetic strips that hold the glass on. After the screws are out, we can use a pry tool or screwdriver to pull up the metal tape and to pull back the screen. Be careful when pulling the screen out because there is a short cable connected to the top left of the screen. Go ahead and disconnect this cable by pulling up on the connector. Once this cable is disconnected, you can lean the screen out farther in order to get to the rest of the connectors. Once you disconnect those, you can remove the screen just like you did the glass. With the screen removed, you can see the hard drive in the middle. It is held on with 2 screws at the top and then it slides into 2 slots at the bottom. We will start to remove the hard drive by removing the top 2 screws connecting it to the computer. Once those are removed, you can pull up on the drive, pulling it out of the slot that it rests in. Once out, disconnect the power and data cables from the drive. Depending on the drive, there may be a foam piece stuck to the front of the drive. This is used to reduce vibration and to hold the drive securely in place. If it is there, remember to remove it and stick it on the replacement drive. If you look at the drive that you just removed, you will notice the mounting bracket on one side and 2 posts screwed in on the other. Remove these in order to install them on the new replacement drive. Before installing the replacement drive, check the orientation of the drive to ensure that you're installing the mounting rail and post on the correct side. Once the mounting hardware is done, put your foam pad on the drive and install it. You can now reassemble the computer following the previous steps in reverse order. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.